Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change project location in CapCut. The process is simple and easy, and let me tell you one thing, if you want to change the entire project location, then you don't have to do anything here. Simply close this CapCut application by tapping on this cross icon, which is on the right top. Once you will close, then you will be back to the homepage of CapCut. Here you can change the entire location of the projects. And how are you going to do it? Simply tap on this option settings, and now tap on the first option settings, and here you can see the option saved. This is the location where my all projects of CapCut are saved. So tap on this folder icon. So for changing project location, navigate to that folder where you want to save your new projects. Just for example, I will select this. After selecting, tap on this option select folder. Then your project will be saved in that folder. And it was the primary way by which you can change the entire project location in CapCut.